For over 40 years, Iran and Israel have been bitter enemies. They've always threatened each other. But for the first time, those threats have become real. Israel launched direct strikes on Iran's defense facilities. Iran retaliated with drones and long-range missiles. This is a major shift, because until now, both sides have fought each other indirectly through proxy forces. But this isn't just a problem between Iran and Israel. How could this conflict spiral into a global war? After decades of tension, the Middle East conflict has entered a new phase. Saudi Arabia and the UAE recently improved their relations with Iran. But at the same time, they've also been strengthening ties with Israel. And that has made Iran very uneasy. Iran's trump card, the Strait of Hormuz. Iran holds a powerful weapon without even firing a shot. It has threatened to shut down the Strait of Hormuz if tensions escalate. And that would trigger a global energy crisis. 33% of the world's oil would be blocked from reaching Europe and the US. That would send oil prices through the roof, shaking the entire world economy. If that happens, two things are almost certain. First, the US might intervene militarily. Second, Saudi Arabia could take a major hit. If Saudi oil can't be exported, it loses billions. And that might push Saudi Arabia closer to Israel, shifting the balance of power in the region. Meanwhile, the US is Israel's closest ally and has repeatedly warned that it won't let Iran become a threat to Tel Aviv. If this conflict escalates, the US could get directly involved, and that could pull other world powers into the fight. Could this war go nuclear? Right now, the chances of a nuclear war are low, because Iran doesn't have nuclear weapons. But there's a wild card: Russia and China. They might not jump in just to defend Iran. But this war could be a golden opportunity for them. Russia could use the chaos to ramp up its attacks on Ukraine. China might see this as the perfect moment to make a move on Taiwan. And just like that, war spreads like dominoes, turning a regional conflict into a full-blown global war. Now, the big question: do you think the Iran-Israel conflict will spiral into an all-out war? Or will it stay limited to smaller strikes? The Middle East, total chaos. Iran, Israel, and Saudi Arabia won't stay on the sidelines this time. Massive airstrikes and missile attacks will wreck critical infrastructure. Israel could target Iran's nuclear facilities directly. Iran's proxy forces might spiral out of control, throwing the entire region into deeper chaos. If Iran feels it has nothing left to lose, it might go after Saudi Arabia and the UAE directly. Saudi Arabia and the UAE could lose their current security as war shifts the power balance in the region. So, the Middle East won't just watch this war, it'll be in the middle of it. And the chaos won't stop even after the war ends. Curious about the full story? This video breaks down every possible World War III scenario and shows you where survival might actually be possible.